Hello viewers, I'm Louis, and this time I'm exploring Yogyakarta area in southern Java Island, and I'm going to divide this adventure into 3 parts. To start off, I'm doing Merapi Lava Tour, riding in a cool WWII Jeep Willys. And Merapi itself is one of the most active volcano in the world. The first stop would be Kali Adam Bunker on the slope of Merapi Volcano. Kali Adam in Javanese means cold river, which is quite the opposite of what flows when the volcano erupts. This bunker was built in 2001 by Sleman Regent and finished 4 years later. As you might know, the purpose of bunker is to protect anyone who don't have the time or incapable to escape during volcano eruption. However, this bunker's capability was questioned after 2006 Merapi eruption. 2 trapped volunteers found dead inside the bunker's toilet after being cooked alive inside the bunker, since the bunker's door couldn't withstand the immense heat of lava and pyroclastic flow of Merapi, which the locals affectionately called it Wedus Gembel, which simply means sheep, due to the appearance of the flow that looks like sheep's wool. Only 3 days after the eruption, the SAR team finally able to find the bodies of the dead inside the bunker, because they were waiting for the eruption material to cool down, hence could start to find any survivors or victims safely. Meanwhile, here's the path where the lava flows during the eruption, which is very cool and never imagined before. Behind its terrifying consequences, simultaneously, the eruption gave blessing to the locals. One of them is the abundance of sand on the riverbeds surrounding the volcano, which locals mine and then use mainly to build houses or other buildings in their villages. Here we can see a bunch of trucks are going back and forth mining the sand, which at times made the traffic on the Merapi slope a bit congested. The next stop is Merapi Memorial Museum, where various objects and ruins affected by the previous eruptions are collected and exhibited in here for the tourists to behold, be it motorcycles, animal skeletons, kitchen appliances, bikes, chairs, even clocks, and traditional musical instruments. I couldn't say much regarding this. Simply see it for yourself. The last stop for this Merapi Lava Tour is Kalikuneng, which means Yellow River, although I couldn't find any part of the river that's yellow. Anyway, since the river's water level recedes, the jeeps will go through several shallow parts of the river and in turn splashes its occupants, which is exactly the predicament I'm going through now. This section also closes the first of 3 parts of my tour in Yogyakarta area. See you on the next part.